Do you know that there is an AI platform that can help you generate different kinds of contents? All right, this platform has so many AI modules integrated into it. And I'm not talking about any other platform other than Higgsfield AI platform. So it has Nano Banana, it has Clink, it has so many other AI modules integrated inside it. So here I'm going to walk you through on how to use this platform. Let's just get right into it.
The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser, and in this case, I'll be using Google Chrome for this task. As your browser opens, visit the website higgsfield.ai. That is the AI platform that has a lot of modules and features integrated into it. So let's get into it. Higgsfield.ai. Once you find yourself on this platform, you can start creating. But better is good for you to sign up if you don't have an account with them. Okay, so click on sign up and follow the on-screen guide, which after that you sign in to start the image generation and video creation. Once you log in successfully, you will find yourself on an interface that looks like this. Okay, so here I'm logging. And let's take a look at some tabs we have here, especially the image and the video tab. All right. This image, when you take your cursor to it, it will give you some options on the kind of image, AI images you can generate. You have create image, you say generate AI image. You have cinema studio image. All right. That is real camera and lens simulation. And you have create storyboard, design your story scenes. So this feature, this platform has a lot of tools, all right, and modules that will help you to create different kinds of images. So, but there is a feature I would like us to test today, and that is the feature of face swap. We are going to start with that, okay, which allows you to swap between two faces in a picture. So let's select the option. Okay, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this if you do that from your end as well. And it say, here's field face swap. You say, your photo. It mustn't be your photo anyway. It says, upload the face you want to insert. So here you're expected to upload that face you want to get at the end of the whole thing. All right. And this one is target image photo with face to replace. All right. So let's click on this to pick one from my PC. So look at the face I want to insert here. So I'll click on it and click on open. Then this is target image photo with face to replace. Okay. So I'll click on this and it automatically opens a folder in my PC. And I will select this because this is me. So I want this guy's face to be placed on my body. All right. So I'll click on open. So once you're good with these major setups, the next thing is to click on generate. So wait for it to be generated. It can take up to a minute to or 2.5 minutes. Here we are. This has generated the image for us. You can see this guy's face is now on my body. So if maybe you're running a project and it requires face swap, use this tool to do it. So now let's download this. And for you to download, once you take your cursor to the image, you will see the download button will show up here. So click on it and it will be downloaded into the downloads folder of your PC in short time. And this has been downloaded into the downloads folder of my PC. So let's experiment another thing. And here we're going to create a video. So when you take your cursor to the video, menu item, you see some options. Okay. And what I want us to experiment with is this Sora 2 trends. All right. The feature is a turn ideas into viral videos. So maybe you have an idea in your head and you want to turn it into video. This will help. So let's try it out. Type what you want to have and look at the settings section here. When you click on settings, you will see some settings option here. Duration 12 seconds is choosing here. Quality 720. And mode is standard is selected. If you want something different pro, you can go with this. And Pro Max is still here. Perfect quality for cinematic scenes. All right. So I think I'll go with this. I like that. So now let's go back here. You can see visuals and sound. So click here. When you click here, you have the visual settings. Style is automatic, craziness is automatic, and montage is automatic. If we want something different, click on this drop down and select. Okay. But I'm okay with the setup there, the settings. So I'll click here again so that we see what we have in sound. So background music, auto, everything here, auto. But if you want something different, please choose that by clicking on the drop down here. So I'll click on settings, on the save settings. So that's that for now. And here, let me now have my idea. Okay. It's a great video of two young men smiling while drinking glasses of milk and eating cookies. The glasses should have the label Godwin Tech Foods. Okay, so we have now given this instruction on what you want it to create. Maybe in your own way, you want it to create video of two children playing or two kids playing. It's left for you. Ideas vary. So after you are done with that, if you have a product, you can click here to add the picture of that particular product to add the AI. But here I don't have any picture to add here. So I'll click on generate. And here we are. This has generated the video we requested. And you can see these two persons. So, but I want to highlight on something. By default, we are assigned on you to YouTube video. If you're interested for TikTok, you click on this before you give it a prompt. If it's YouTube Shorts, you click on this before you give it a prompt on what you want it to do. If it's Instagram Reels video you want to create, give it a prompt, okay? Before select here, give it a prompt, and before you click on generate. So let's play this video and see what we have here.
Cheers, man.
Cheers.
That is so smooth.
Right? And it goes perfect with these cookies.
Best snack.
You can see it's a nice video. So you can go ahead and download this video. Okay, let me scroll down and play it again. Okay, let me play it in last screen. Okay,
Break of the week.
Can't argue with that.
that's beautiful. Okay, that's beautiful. So if you want to download this, just click on these three dots and download it. All right. So if there is maybe something you want to add to the video at the end of the whole thing, what you need to do is import it into your video editing software and make some changes you want to make to it before you use it for maybe the purpose you want to use it for. But this AI is cool and it did a great job. To me, I don't think I need any other thing to do to this video. Let us now experiment with the last example on this Higgsfield AI platform. All right. So I want us to experiment with another video feature. So take my cursor to this video and here let's work with Cinema Studio Video. Okay. So here I have to explain what I want to create using a picture, but I don't have the picture yet because we have the video tab and the image tab here. So I want to generate the image first, then before I switch to video. So I'll click on this image tab and then describe what I want. And here I've added the description I want, the prompt. Okay, I say make the person in the picture a professor of Godwin Tech University, sorting out the script of the best performed students after a quiz. Make the video great and professional by wearing him a premium suit as he carry out the task. All right, so you may be asking, where is the picture? Don't worry, we are going to add the picture. Okay, so I'll click on this plus sign. And I have some pictures here. I can pick one from my PC as well by clicking on this. But let's work with one of these. So let me go with this one. And it is added. Right? I want to show you something. The batch size is 1/4 here. But if you want something different, you can click on this plus sign to add more. All right. Then the aspect ratio is going to generate this image is going to be in 16:9. If you want something different, click there. Maybe you want to have the picture on Facebook or Instagram. Choose a different dimension. Then this is 2K resolution. So if you want something different, click here and select a different resolution for yourself. Then we have here, this is camera aspect. If you click there, you see a lot of cameras you can pick from. Okay, once you take your cursor here and start pushing the wheels of your mouse, you will have a lot of cameras to choose from. The same with lenses, the same with focal length you want to use, and the same with aperture. So, but I'm okay with these settings I have here, so I'll click on it again. So now let's click on generate for him to turn this into a professor. AI is really powerful. Look at me here. He has turned me into this. Let's click on this to see it in a bigger way. You can see Godwin Tech University. That's the name there, right? And look at me looking like a professor in this case. And let's now minimize it. And since we have it, I can decide to download it to my PC. So I'll click on this download button and it has been downloaded into my PC. So let's now switch to the video, okay, to the video tab to generate the cinematic video we want, really. So I'll click on this. So now that I've clicked on this, I'll click on this start frame, okay. Then I'll click on image generations because we just generated the image. So I'll click on this for it to be added, okay. So now let me give it a prompt on what he needs to do. It is simple, and I said make him sort the scripts. Okay, so I'll click on generate. And here we are, it has generated the video version of what we told him to do. And if you take your cursor here, you see how it looks. But if I click on it, you see it in a larger screen. You see that? And the young man is doing well as a professor. Okay, so if I like, I can go ahead and download this by clicking on these three dots and select download. And I can then use it for what I want to use it for. As a creator or somebody that works under a company, you can have voiceover, okay? Add voiceover on this video when you want to edit it further. So anything you generate here, you can use it for any kind of automation or advert.
If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel to learn more about a video like this. Check the description to get to the website, and you can create a lot, including cartoony images, cartoony videos, artistic kind of designs, and many more. Thank you, and see you some other time.